When we started Alfredo's, I was just a housewife. We started selling sandwiches in front of the restaurant. After a while, nag-i-steak na kami. We had 19 tables, including under the stairs. And then, we went up. And then, eventually, when we became very popular, by word of mouth lang yan, ha? We even got the upstairs of our next door neighbor, which was called Fun House. It was a gag shop. Paano siya natuto mag-slaughter ng cows? Punta siya sa palengke. Yung mga palengkera doon, tinuruan siya. Oo, ganun siya ka-charming. Tapos, noong lumipat na kami dito, si Tita Pilar Zaragoza, the wife of the architect who was the ambassador to Malta, offered me a whole building, a whole floor in her building sa Gamboa and Pasay Road. And then, I had a gang of theater people na. Marami sa kanila architects and one of them was Ruben Payuno. Nung nakita ni Freddy na in love kami, ang ganda. So, we built it and then one of the barkada ko rin sa theater, actually his wife in education, College of Education, he built this for us. He brought a crew. Ernie Zarate, who used to appear in movies. He married Chari Cruz, who was an interior designer. She would design all my first this, tapos I had a coffee shop, tapos yung baba ko was a bar, a cocktail lounge. She would design all the interiors. Ano yan, libre,